So going to try out a new pond track, or I say new pond track, but an existing pond track that's been renovated recently. So let's get the gear on and go and try that out. I don't know what to expect, I don't know what features are there, how they've changed it, so let's go for a ride and then let's check out what is what. So we're taking the Aero, and which is what I've been trying to sort of use it for, and sort of short commutes. Let's see what it's like on the pump track. Skate park is very cool, to be fair. It's way more than what I could ever do, and rightly so. It's built for proper skaters. The bowl part that they've got here, if that's what you call it, is huge. So compared to what we had before, if you see my previous videos, the skate park was made of a few tiny little metal features, and it was a bit rubbish. So having all this being built, finally North Herts Council have actually done something right. There's a little jump that I've just done. Again, nothing amazing, and it's probably the only thing that I can do here. These ramps are just huge. Literally, these are as high as me. And some of these, so you know, I can't wait to see people properly making use of this, you know, that are proper skateboarders and stuff. So yeah, fair play. Looks good. Not for me, which is a shame. I thought there may be a bit more, like maybe some stairs put in, maybe a few more ramps and stuff. But this part, especially the bowl bit, is huge compared to what it was, and the other bit is pretty good as well. But again, there's not enough features that I think I could do. There may be the smaller ramp over the back that I might end up being able to do, but not at the moment.
Gotta give it away, give it away, give it away to the ones you love. It feels like sunshine the way that it warms up my cold heart. Sweet as sugar and a light that leads you through the dark. A friend to pick you up in brokenness and pain. Lord, let your love and kindness fall on us like rain. Affection, honey, healing magic, goodness from above. Affection, we gotta give it away, give it away, give it away to the ones you love.
So just at the park that I usually kind of whip round, there's some stairs at the back of here that I really want to try. I don't think I can try it on the Aero. I think the Aero could probably do it. I just think I'd be better off on the bigger wheel. I'm probably making excuses as well because they're quite scary stairs. I'm not sure we're going to be able to get up there because like the mud and stuff that's here. But we'll have a look and see. See what it's like. The skate park is really cool. I'm really glad it's there. It's just a shame that there's not many. I think there's probably one feature I might be able to do, which is like the smaller ramp, which some of the skateboarders on. I didn't want to disturb them while they're doing it. They've got obviously more rights to that than I have. The big bowl they put in there is huge. So like I said, it'd be really cool to see skateboarders trying that out more. It looks massive. I mean, yeah, it'd just be really cool to see that. The smaller stuff is all right. There's, like I said, there's a drop, there's some slide rails and stuff like that. So, you know, if you're into that sort of stuff, then it's really cool. It's in Hitchin, so like I said, the one that we had before was like a bit of a crappy metal thing. It got really hot in the summer, but there wasn't much to it. There was like one ramp and a few steps, which I've done a few times, and sort of over the mini ramp and stuff like that. So good to see that, you know, the council have finally like actually made good on their promise to upgrade it. There is a tiny ramp down another park near me. Apparently that's not going to be redone at all, so that's going to stay as is, which is, again, I've done a video that's tiny little sort of few ramps, which is a shame, but that's a good one. And we've got a skate shop in Hitchin now, in the middle of town, so hopefully with that, I mean, quite happily sort of try and learn skateboarding if there was any sort of lessons within town. I know you can do them elsewhere, and the downside is obviously it's a big skate park which obviously needs to be outside, but in the winter then that's going to be pretty crap. Although the one good thing is they've actually looked like they're going to make a path to it, which about time, because otherwise you had to go right the way across the field, so when it was wet and stuff, it was almost impossible to get to, so that's good as well. So yeah, certainly a good improvement anyway. So there you have it. There's the stairs I want to conquer. These, and then that one, and then that one. I don't know whether the Aero probably could do it. I think it is purely me, I'm sure it is, but the width for these stairs, and it doesn't really do it justice, is about the same size as the Aero wheel. So my worry is on the Aero is that whilst I suppose I could get more speed and come down there, I think I'm going to hit every step on the way. And yes, I am making excuses for not doing this yet. So the plan is to come back with a bigger wheel and try this first step first, get going down those, and then build up to it, and then hopefully get to all the way to the top there and go a little flat bit. So these are fields out the back of where I live, on next to the railway, which is where that bridge is. In the summer this is really nice. The ground is a bit squishy. It's probably the nicest way of putting it.
Stress. I'm feeling lighter. I'm finally feeling like I can breathe. The night is calling. Tension, gon' blow in the breeze. We're rolling downtown. We're grooving to the sound. We're rolling downtown. The weekend's here and it feels so right.
what's up? Just wanna party, ain't nobody looking for love. The music's popping, this beat has got me feeling alive. Head to the strip, these wheels gon' light up the night. I'm living in a fantasy, come on and take a ride with me. I'm tryna put your mind at ease, let me know that you're feeling me. I'm living in a fantasy, come on and take a ride with me. I'm tryna put your mind at ease, come on and get down with me. Rolling downtown, grooving to the sound. Rolling downtown, the weekend's here and it feels so right. I think I'll break the skates out tonight. I'm gonna go out and have a good time. Ain't nothing gonna stop me tonight. We're cruising by the city lights. Can't wait to break the skates out tonight. I'm gonna go out and have a good time. Ain't nothing gonna stop me tonight. It feels so right. Ain't nothing gonna stop me tonight.
So just thought I'd come back and do the little steps that I've been eyeing up for the last couple of weeks on the Aero. Yeah, you can go down them. You can also jump them as well, right? Anyway, it's been just a fun little whistle-stop tour of skate parks, me talking parks and little stairs. I will see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.